Hi, I am a health expert. I'll be telling you how to stop or 100% cure asthma. Asthma happens due to a lining which is available, the lining inside the lungs which is available. It has to be totally cured. That absorption of oxygen decreases, the wheezing problem increases because of uh, some kind of allergies it happens. So how to stop all those things? That is the question. Now, uh, the major part is to make the lungs healthy, warm internally, to make the lungs healthy internally. And how do we do that? That is a big question. Now, the expertise doesn't lie with the doctors. They only treat the diseases. They know how to do and treat disease, but how to make your healthy lungs, they don't have anything like that. Either they do some kind of operation or they will give you medicine to only subside, not to totally cure it, because it is something where your organ is failing to do. So organ failure again is wrong. So how do we give a total support to this kind of organ? That is a big question which actually people are not aware of. And what I recommend for this kind of patient is one book is there. The book names What Your Doctor Doesn't Know About Nutrition and Medicine Will Be Killing You. So here, this book also is written by one doctor named MD Reddy Stand. So he takes care of lot of issues, and with the experience of around 7 years, he has done this kind of research. He has done the research, and right now, more than 1 crore people in India they have used this product, which is manufactured in US, and by using those products they have really come out of it, and now they are not getting any kind of asthma or asthmatic attack. Here what I suggest is, whatever be the question you have inside, just give me a call. We do this session free for you, and it's up to you like how do you take a call on it and take a food supplement on it and cure yourself 100%. And it is not like taking say fish as a fish, the what used to be available in Hyderabad, taking fish and gulping it, taking a course of 3 round something. It is, I don't know, but it's working. It is also working, and again, the product what we are giving, it is also working. So it depends now what how you would like to go ahead. The cost factor for the kind of thing what I'm going to tell you, it will not cost more than 5,000 rupees. So decide yourself and give me a call back. My number is 9000569 234. 9000569 234. And this is India. Thank you. And in Hyderabad. And it can be given to anybody all over India and even anywhere, any part of the world. Thank you.